Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious cabbage salad. First, select a fresh, firm head of cabbage. Look for vibrant leaves and a solid feel. Remove any bruised or damaged outer leaves, then rinse the entire head under cool, running water. Next, quarter the cabbage and carefully cut out the tough, fibrous core from each section. Now it's time to shred your cabbage. You can use a sharp chef's knife or a mandoline for consistent, thin strips. Aim for pieces about 1/8 inch thick for the best texture. If you're adding other vegetables, like carrots or bell peppers, chop them into similar small, uniform sizes so they blend well with the cabbage. A great dressing makes all the difference. For a simple yet flavorful option, whisk together your favorite oil, a good quality vinegar, and seasonings like salt and black pepper. You might also add a touch of sweetness with honey or maple syrup. Once your dressing is ready, pour it over the shredded cabbage and other vegetables, then toss everything thoroughly to coat. Once dressed, let your cabbage salad marinate in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully and the cabbage to soften slightly. Before serving, consider garnishing with fresh chopped herbs like parsley or cilantro, or perhaps some toasted nuts for added crunch. It truly elevates the dish. For more great tips and resources, including a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below for the link and other deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade cabbage salad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.